Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, a do follow free instant approved a guest post backlink. So the website name is columbusnews.times.com. So this is a website dashboard and this is a website URL. So before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 17, and according to DAPA checker, this website domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 1%, and this is a 4-year-old website. And if you can check this website, traffic. So according to similar web, this website having around 35.6K monthly visits, and mostly traffic from India and the Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and the register button, and then we can create our profile. So you can add your username, your email address, then you can choose your password, then you can reconfirm your password. You can acknowledge the terms and condition, then after click on register button. So you can see our profile is created. Now we can upload a profile picture, and then there you can add your company description, and then after you can click on save changes. So our profile is successfully created. Now what we can do next, we can update our social accounts. Now you can click on social accounts, and there you can put your Facebook URL, your Twitter, your Instagram, and then your YouTube, your LinkedIn. Once you complete these things, then after you can click on save changes. So overall, we updated our profile. So next, what we can do, you can click on your username, then after you can click on your admin panel, and you can click on post. Oh, sorry, you can click on add post, then add post, and here you can put your article title. So this is my article, and there you can add a short description. So let me copy from my website. You can add your keywords here, then you can add your tags, and then you can paste your content. So you can see that I already optimize my headings and in the hyperlinking in this content, in this Google Doc content. So before pasting the content, you can optimize your content, your article content here. Then after you can paste, so this would be catch directly your headings, your hyperlinking, and your any other things. So this would be the easier to you can publish very quickly your articles on these website. Okay, so if you guys will know how you can hyperlink your keywords, you can select your keyword, and you can click on this button. Then after there you can paste your website URL. Okay, so next we can upload a featured image here. So you can click on this, then after you can click on browse file, and you can upload your featured image. So let me download first. So once your image is uploaded, you can select your image, then after click on select image, and from there you can select your category. So our category is software and recruitment, so e-commerce and technology. Yeah. Then after you can click on add. So you can see our post is successfully added. So after you can click on posts. Then you can click on post.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
So you can see this is our blog. I added a two time. So I found some technical issues on this website. So I submitted again. But you can click on this your article title. Then this article should be going to open in next window. And you can see this is your article landing page URL. And if I can show you, this is instant approved backlink or not. So if I can open in incognito, and here you can see our article is instantly approved now, instant approved. So I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today created a very high quality free do follow guest post backlink on this website. So overall, this is the process to how you can publish your content on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.